Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix we could not activate EA Sports FC. Now, this error usually pops up when you're launching EA Sports, right, on your PC via the EA app or, Steam or Game Pass. So that means the game cannot verify your license or account. So if you're running this through EA, just restart the EA app, even your PC, just right click here, go hover over shutdown or sign out, click on restart. And you can right click on your shortcut, okay, and just run this as an administrator, right? That usually fixes the issue. And if you have it on Steam, for example, you can just go to your library. So let's come here to home, and I'll show you what you can do. You can basically verify the integrity of the game file. So let's say this one right here, just right click on your game, FC 25, 24, 26, whichever one it is, click on properties, come here to installed files, click on verify integrity of game files. Okay, they're not able to verify your license or account. So if you are running any VPN, make sure you have disabled it. Okay, make sure you don't have any VPN that is connected. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.